That's how you start the stream. Welcome back to the Infinity Show, guys. Welcome back to the Infinity Show. Hope everyone is doing well. Happy Infinity no. I was gonna say Happy Infinity Day. Happy NVIDIA Day. It's earnings time. We'll see how NVIDIA pans out. Salute to you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. If you hear the sound of my voice right now, hope you guys are doing well. Let's get to it, man. Bulls are trying to hold past another Apex eval. Trying to build Apex back up, man. Kind of got screwed in January with the Tradez issue. That was like 12 PAs down the drain. Got stuck in some positions and couldn't get out. And Apex said that was a Tradez issue. They can't do anything about it. So I was like, all right. Something about API. And I was trading micros too. So it was I was copy trading. So it was a bunch of micros at a time. Each time I went in. So yeah, man. I was trying out copy trading, and that was another sign I need to stop copy trading. That was another sign for sure. Just need to do it individually. I've never had an API issue when I traded everything individually, even if I used micros. It was crazy, man. But it is what it is. I have to build back. Gotta figure it out. Gotta figure it out, man. All right, let's get it going, man. We got NVIDIA. It's creeping up. We got back into the 120s, which is crazy. Got back into the 120s. So yeah, it's up to Jensen. We'll see what Jensen can do for us. Hopefully he can give us a boost. Right now the bulls are trying to push back up. I'm looking at monthly charts. Not monthly charts, but daily charts. NQ, well, SPY is above. Let me see if I can find SPY. I think SPY is above its high from yesterday. Yeah, SPY is above its high. It's trying to reclaim 600. All right, let's see. We bounced off of VWAP. Reclaimed for NQ. We bounced off of VWAP in the 21,270s and popped back above 21,300. So we're making our way back up. Ever since we swept 21,000, there's been a influx of bulls. It seems like they were waiting down there, and now we're like grinding back to the upside. Like, let's say the props let us swing, that would have been a nice swing point off of 21,000. Swing it back to 22,000. That's a heck of a swing. Hope everyone is doing well. I hope I did normal latency. We'll see if this thing lags today. Let's see. QQQ has not been above its previous day high since, what day is that? Since we peaked at 540, and that was what day? Ooh. That was the 19th of February. So since the 19th, we have not been above the previous day high, which is crazy. It's just been 4 or 5 days of of red. Bears came in hot. Not just a little red, a lot of red. NQ was at 22,000, like 300, and we just swept 21,000. Look at that range. That range is crazy. I think I saw the other. Did I bring water? Got some water. Oh, wow. That's the 20th. Oh, that happened? Nice. Elon is below 300, yo. We peaked at 488 in December. We are below 300. Someone in the Discord says somebody's holding a bag with a hole in it. Hopefully they cut it, but somebody's holding a bag. Somebody is holding a bag. All right, guys. We got to build Apex back up. The rebuilding process can be frustrating. It can be frustrating. Because you're so used to at least having 5 or 10 fundeds at least sitting there. But when they all disappear, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like a grueling process to get them all back. We were at 20. Was I using 2? I gotta go back to the video. But yeah, we peaked at, we were definitely at 20. And then I was in the process of building Topstep up. Got some good payouts in from Topstep in December. Those came out of the blue. That was insane. But I like the way Topstep is. Very interesting. Just different approaches to the prop game. So yeah, for Apex pass another eval. I think I'm gonna try to pass another one for Nvidia, for Nvidia earnings. We'll see what we can get. Nvidia Jensen's on the clock. We'll see what the reaction is, and we'll also, I might listen to the earnings call just to see what he has to say. Hopefully Jensen gives us some good news. Mr. Jensen. We are below. What's Q? Let me draw some fibs on Q real quick. SPY is above its high. Is it still up there? Let's see. VWAP is holding the line. 21,300 looks like it wants to hold. So we'll see if we get a pop back up. I'm going to scalp around on a Topstep practice account as well. Will it pop up? Yeah. Scalping around. This was an entry right here. This guy right here. We had that 10 a.m. news bounced around, and we reclaimed VWAP. I thought they were going to take us back down to 21,100 at the open. That open was vicious. Bears definitely came in hot. We got Dave posting profits. Almost got 250 on my funded Topstep. 6 mini NQ. Shout out to Dave. Dave is the man. Past Tradeify 250Ks. Nice. On that drop. Nice. Shout out to Dave in the Discord. Whoa. Shout out to Dave in the Discord. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's going on. Dallas played LA yesterday. Man, I have not been watching any TV. I don't watch TV. For the last couple of years, my TV is YouTube podcast, and that's it. I don't watch Netflix. I don't do none of that. I'm trying to get to the bag, man. Trying to get to the bag. Once I get to the bag, and I'm in Dubai somewhere, and just made 50K on the day, then I'll watch some TV and some sports. As of right now, I just look at the summary here and there and keep it moving. Check the scores here and there and keep it moving. Yeah, man. All the guys I've met like recently that are really like they up there. They're not watching TV like that. They are not. They're focused on the bag. and increasing their net worth. Shout out to Dave. Dave got to the bag this morning. He got the Express account moving on Topstep, passed some Tradefy accounts. Solid. Is this thing moving? Yeah, it is. Gotta move it back up. Yeah, I thought we were headed to 21,100. The way we opened, I was like, here come the bears again. Here come the bears again, man. Shout out to everyone in here, all the viewers. Salute to you guys. Onward and upward, guys. Just passed another Apex account, 50K this morning. Went hard at the open, but yeah. So I'm gonna start that funded account tomorrow and build it up, man. We're building Apex back up, man. It sucks I have to build it up. It's like a grueling process, but we're gonna do it. Once we get the accounts back up, then we'll be cruising again. All fourth quarter, I was cruising. And then we ran into that API issue. Apex is like, we don't have anything to do with that. That's Tradez. I'm still rocking with Tradez, though. Like, I started with Tradez, so I'm going to keep going with them. That was just a weird mishap. I was using micros, copy trading. It is what it is. Got to roll with the punches. Got to roll with the punches. Whoa, Tradez. Now Tradez doesn't want to pop up. Guys, come on, man. All right. As I'm talking about Tradez, they're going blank on me. Fresh 1 hour candle right now. Where are we at? Let me see. Yo, what's up, Dev? What's up, Live Records? No, just evals today. Straight evals. I might. It depends. I might be live for NVIDIA earnings. We'll see. I'm going to try to be. I might do two separate. Might end this at like, we'll see. Might go all the way through. I might just have to step away for a second. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. Jensen is going to give us, yeah. We need, the Bulls need a pop. They need a catalyst from somewhere. But yeah, we'll see. NQ's sweep of 21,000. That was a good bottoming point. We'll see if the Bulls, there were definitely Bulls waiting at that level. So hopefully we can keep pushing north from here. The 1 hour trend is changing for the first time since last week. It's spinning. EMAs are flipping on the 1 hour. 4 hours still has a lot of work to do. The reclaim, in order for that trend to flip, we need like another 300 points. But the fact that the 1 hour is flipping, that's a good sign. Fresh day highs for NQ. Let's see what happens. We're pushing up to a daily FEG midpoint here. What's that level? I need to blow it up. That is, it's like 340. It's like 380 maybe? 390? I gotta see. 21,390. We'll see, man. We need Jensen to show up. Definitely need Jensen to show up. Yo, Caleb, are you in here? I just saw you in the Discord. Shout out to Caleb. Just hopped in the Discord. Let's see. Yep, it's 83. It's 21.8. Look at this, man. You can't make this up. The midpoints of daily FEGs is like lines up with so many things. That same exact point on QQNQ lines up with SPY's low from last week. That's exactly where we just rejected from. We'll see if we can reclaim. It's so weird. It's all the levels are like calculated levels. It's crazy. When you see it and you overlap it, it's very interesting. So these are the fibs for NQ. So this midline right here, 21,383.25 is a midpoint of, is this weekly or daily? We're about to see right now. I think it's I believe that's a daily. If it's a weekly, it's even more powerful. If there are any beginner traders in here, mark up your charts at night. It helps you during the day. Yeah, okay, so this is a daily FEG. Midpoint is 21,383.25. Just keep an eye on that level. And 599.47 is the low, last week's low for SPY. So we're going to see if SPY can reclaim 600. ES has already reclaimed 6,000. SPX is reclaiming 6,000 right now, so we'll see. Come on, Jensen. We need some heat, Jensen. We need some heat. We're getting a push, nice push above that level. Bulls are pushing. If SPY can get back inside week, that'll be pretty good. They got to hold though. It looks like they have the momentum. It looks like they have the momentum to do it. We'll see. Nice push. Oh. Oh my goodness. What is YouTube doing? Are we glitching? I gotta see if we glitch on Tradez. Yesterday we were glitching on Tradez. I was like, what's going on? Eric Segura in the building. What's going on, buddy? How you feeling? Hope you're doing well. Hope everybody that's listening and watching is doing well, man. It's a new day. Did you snipe anything? All I've done was all I've done today are just evals. Passed another Apex eval. Whew, trying to build these PAs back up, man. Having 15 or 20 and then trying to build back up from 0 or 1 or 2, man, it's a process. It makes you appreciate when you had way more. All right, YouTube, what are we doing? I adjusted OBS settings again last night. We'll see if we get any glitches. If I am lagging, say something, because I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm trying to optimize the streaming experience. I'm trying. In OBS, they're talking about encoder settings, bit rate, trying to get the bit rate right, the keyframe interval. Audio is fine. It's just this video. I think the video you can get like 1080p. Before it was only, quality was less. What was it, like 720 or something like that? $1080p. Bulls are trying to push, man. 83. Watch that 83 level. If we reclaim and hold, that's pretty good. That'll be a small win for the Bulls if they can hold above that midpoint. Whoa. All right, let's figure this out. YouTube is giving me some error messages. Trying to get this thing right. I should have left everything alone. Went online looking up how to optimize. And my Tradez was glitching yesterday. That was crazy. I need to watch this Dom. Will it allow me? Ooh, they're going for 400? Nice push. We've been 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Within the hour, we've gone from 300 to almost 400. That's a good push. Nice. I started YouTube in November. Everybody was like, I have to get on. So I was like, all right, let me try it. So I hopped on. And yeah, now we're in networking mode. Meeting some good folks on here, all on the same journey. Hey, man, I'm trying to do what people did for me, man. Just show people it's possible. Show people it is possible. I've been through all the emotions, man. I started trading in 2016, so whew, I've seen all the ups and downs. Blowing accounts, starting from scratch. I'm kind of starting from scratch now because of our little API, Tradez API fiasco in January. That was crazy, man. I had 150 Ks ready to go. Some were like halfway to payout. I was like, let's go. We're going to start the year off right. And then, boom. All it takes is one day or one glitch. I couldn't get out of my positions. And I copy traded. So I think that was like a sign of like, no more copy trading. We're not doing that no more. If I do, it'll be, if I have 20 funded, it'll be 5 max. I think I was copy trading like 12 or 13 at the same time. They got stuck in a position. And of course it went against me. Couldn't get out. My daily fees were all whacked. No trade for me today. I blew a P. Oh no, you blew a PA, Apex PA? Yeah, I've been there, done that. Death by a million paper cuts. I've been there, man. You'll bounce back. The fact that you had a PA in the first place means you'll be right back. Shout out to Eric. You'll be right back. Yo, Caleb, if you're in the chat, say something, please. Let us know how long you've been trading and what you trade. It's all up to Jensen, guys. It's all up to Jensen. Stream status poor. It looks fine on my end. YouTube's not receiving. It looks clean on what I'm looking at. What is YouTube trying to do to me, man? They're trying to sabotage. Error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. As such, okay. As such, viewers will experience. If you guys are experiencing any lagging, let me know. Or if the screen is freezing. I'm about to go back to the original settings and just rock like that. Thanks, Eric, for the update. Yeah, Topstep, you can watch multiple charts. You just gotta set it up. Oh yeah, bulls are pushing. Let's go. They're trying. Let's see. Now it says stream is excellent. What are they doing to us? All good. Shout out to Caleb that just entered the Discord. Caleb has to say something. Okay, now it's saying great. Let's see where they can go. Can we reclaim 21,400? Man, the journey back up is going to be interesting. We were at 22,300 last week. All the way down to 21,000. What kind of range is that? That's insane. That is insane. We have NVIDIA earnings, guys, at the close. After the close. Do we have any news? We had new home sales. That's what that news was at 10 a.m. Eastern time. And I think we had crude oil inventories. That was at 10 a.m. as well. That's where that volatility at 10 a.m. came from. We got a pop off of it, so that's pretty good. Retested VWAP, and now we're headed back to the upside. Now all we need is Jensen to show up, and we can push back up. Lily is flying. Elon is back below 300, which is crazy. Somebody in Discord said they are somebody's holding the bag. If we peaked at 488, you know people were like gunning for 500. Like, let's get to 500. Elon could get there. He's part of the administration. He has all the momentum, and they just pulled the rug, man. They've been pulling the rug since 400. They've been pulling the rug since the peak. soon as we got up to close to 500, somebody pulled the rug. Latency is the same, right? Am I delayed? Let me know how much I'm delayed based on the time. Somebody else said that yesterday as well. Yeah, it's delayed by like 10 seconds, man. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me see. Is this live? Yeah, that's live. Man, yeah, I'm about to go back to my original settings. Time frame interval, quality, two pass, multi-pass mode, recording, replay buffer. Preset, constant bit rate. Yeah, we're gonna figure this out. Keyframe. Keyframe interval. Yeah, it's semi-delayed. Couple seconds, like 5, 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna keep tweaking it till it's right. I kind of want it real time. Definitely want it real time. So let's mark these charts up. This green line, that's a weekly. Did I? Let me see if I need to name this thing. All right, I'll probably name it. Let's see. NQ bulls are trying to pierce that 400 level. We'll see if they can get up there. There were some bears up there waiting. Maybe something like that. Let's see what the bulls can do. They're pressing back down. This is a midpoint too. Oh no, that's the I think that's the daily, right? Yeah. That 83 level. SPY's getting rejected at its low from yet last week. So we'll see if they can retest and get back into last week's range. That'll be great for the bulls. If they can get back into last week's range, that'll be great. How delayed is this thing? Yeah, I might have to go back to 720, man. I don't know what's happening. I don't think I had that much of a delay when I had the 720 going, but 1080p, I might have to, gonna look at the interval. Interval settings. Yeah, if I run into anything, I'm gonna have to go back to original settings. If anything, we'll see. I think we still have space down. Tesla's below 300. That's crazy. That's a huge pullback from the highs. So we'll see. Whoa, what just happened? Yeah, we might get some pullback here. Let's see if we can get some any trend lines going. You could technically draw that. Let me see. Reset chart. We're getting back to highs from yesterday. Oh, okay, cool. You draw from each point up. Let's see. 21,400's key level. ES is back above 6,000, man. Let's go. Let's see where they go. Let's see if it works over here. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Dev. We're watching this pullback. Let's see how far they pull things back. NQ Bulls want to pull things back. If we get back to VWAP, 300 is key level. Basically, the gap we're playing is 300 to 400. So we'll see. Can the Bulls keep things going? A great start for the day. At least this open didn't look like the last couple of days. The last couple of days were treacherous. At the open, we just dropped like a rock. Last couple of days, it was rough, man. Pulling back. Let's see. Do the bears want to push us back to 300? We'll see. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, seasonality, right? Let me look up seasonality. Getting a little bit of a bounce. Can the bulls hold that 83 level? Right, we were talking about that earlier. Let me make sure we have the right. It's kind of where we turned around. Right here in this area. I'm watching that 21,383 level. That's a daily FEG right here. On NQ. Mm-hmm. And it's almost lunchtime. Jeez, time is flying. Time is flying. We're pushing back up there. We'll see if they can reclaim, if the bulls can reclaim 21,400. Uh-oh, look who it is. It's Gabby G. Shout out to Gabby G. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Shout out to Gabby G in the building. Watching to see if NQ can get above 21,400. I'm doing well, Gabby G. How are you? just happened? I hope this. I'm trying to get this stream right. It is delayed. I don't know if it was this delayed before. I'm tweaking these stream settings, so we'll see. We will see. Yesterday, my Tradez was glitching. I don't know if that was the stream or if it was Tradez. Bulls are running 400 again. Let's see if we can reclaim. ES is headed back north. Let's see what happens. Nice. Shout out to Gabby G. She passed her 50K on Topstep. Nice. Now it's funded time. Congratulations. Bit by bit wins the game. Nice. You just passed today? Shout out to Gabby G. Passed her Topstep combine. Let's keep on going, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep the train going. NQ Bulls swept 400 again. So we're going to see. All right, we'll see. Shout out to Gabby G in the building. Yes, just was today, little by little, going to start a new one once I get. Yep. Just keep on stacking, bit by bit. Nice. Congratulations. Combine passed. Let's go. Man, we're getting rejected at 400 again. Bears are definitely up here. They don't want us to keep going right now. We'll see what happens once the EMAs catch up. Any news coming through? Let's see. Japan, anything good? Yeah, that was the crude oil news at 10. Nice. So now you're into the the next phase of the combine. Not the combine, but now you're express funded. Oh man, they're rejecting hard off of 400. Jeez. That 400 level lines up with SPY and SPX's low from last week. That also lines up with QQQ's high from last week. Look at how everything like overlays. They're all working off of each other. It's calculated. The algos run together. Okay, let me see. That happened last night, so that means it should be good. Gabby G, I'm working on these funded accounts. I'm building back up. Building these things back up, man. Yeah, I forgot. I almost forgot how it feels to build these things back up. I just had floating PAs, funded accounts, third and fourth quarter of last year. I never had just a couple. There was something, at least 10 or 15 of them things running, whether it was Apex or Apex combined with Topstep. Now I'm trying to build these things back up to that level. Then we can start cruising again. Yeah, we're getting that reject at 400. Let me see if I could go back to Topstep. Let's see if they pull things back to 300. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Gabby G. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Dev. Shout out to Dave. Dave got some good gains in the Discord this morning. Passed some Tradefy evals, I think. And he's working on his Topstep Express account. Bit by bit. He says he's using 6 micros on the funded account for Topstep. Where is the okay? Gabby G. Gabby G says, nice. I'm looking forward to building and hopefully keeping my accounts bit by bit. Absolutely. Yeah, look, you will keep them. You will keep them. Bit by bit, bit by bit. As long as you don't oversize, you'll have them for a while. Don't oversize and stick to your strategy. Don't go on tilt. You'll be fine. Even if you don't get that 200 per day, like, the key is to keep that account going. There have been days like I was break even. I was like, and the price action just wasn't right. So I just stopped. I was like, okay, nah. Even if I didn't get to the 200 mark for that day, I was able to like look at the price action. It was just like chop for NQ. But you'll be all right, Gabby G. Congratulations again. Gabby G is funded. Shout out to Avinash. 114 is in the building. Shout out to Avinash. Yep. They're growing, man. My mother is showing me how to grow things at home. It's very interesting. You can grow your own peppers, tomatoes. What else is over there? Potatoes. You can grow everything, man. I think I have the green thumb now, Avinash. Let's go back to Tradez. I passed a Apex eval this morning. So I'm going to start that funded tomorrow. Go bit by bit, just like I'm telling Gabby G, bit by bit. Yeah, this late January into February, it's just been like, I think I've been trying to get back all the PAs. Like, I've been forcing plays, but I have to get out of that, get back on the program. I also think I've been sizing up a little bit too often. So we're gonna work on it. We'll definitely work on it. Get back on the horse. It depends, because usually with the evals, I use bigger size. So it could be a couple days it could be a couple days. It could be with Apex with their 1 day. Usually I try to aim for 1 or 2 or 3 days, but ideally same day. That's the one advantage that Apex has. That 1 day pass, can't beat it. Pass it in 1 day, you're funded the next. Then after that, once you get into funded, you just have to get above the threshold and make at least $50 for 5 days. And you have to trade the account for 8 days. And then you can pull a payout or request a payout. Bulls are trying to hold on. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain. What is that, man? Guys, if I'm lagging, let me know. I don't think, no, just futures for Apex. I'm gonna look this up tonight. What kind of error is that? Somebody's playing with my stream. All right, all good. Look, Bulls are definitely trying 400, but at this point, we've gotten slapped down a couple times. We'll see if they can push. If they can't push, we might pull back to VWAP. What's the daily looking like? Let's go to the daily chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Hey, Gabby G, you mean like is the screen freezing, or is it just that there's a delay? Let me know. Is there just a delay, or is the screen freezing, actively freezing? Does it have to buffer? I'm sitting here I've been trying to tweak my OBS, my streaming settings, but I might have to go back to the original settings because we're not doing this YouTube. Because now it's streaming at 1080p. I had it at 720. We'll see. Yeah, I might go back. We'll see. If there's any complaints, I'm going back to the original settings. Here come the Bulls again. We're testing 400. Let's see if we can get above. Can they do it? Let me draw these fibs too. I have to draw fibs on QQQ. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Congratulations again to Gabby G. Just passed a 50K count combine on Topstep. Let's go. Very interesting. Let's see if these Bulls can make something happen into the afternoon. Jensen is on the clock. NVIDIA earnings after the bell, guys. NVIDIA earnings coming in hot. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Hop in the free Discord or free chat within the Discord. Link in the description. Let me see if I can find what I need to find. Here we go. We're above 400. Let's see if they can hold. Come on, Bulls. They need a move right here. 21,418 is a weekly gap fill. We'll see if they can get up there. They're pushing. They tested these EMAs a couple times. Let's see if they can get up there. Negative, positive, long, long, long. Let's see where they can go. They're trying. Let's see if NQ can hold 400. Again, these levels up here coincide with SPY and SPX's weekly low from last week. QQQ is above its high from yesterday. That's good. That is a good thing. The key now is for them to hold. We'll see if they can hold. Gotta draw these fibs, man. Shout out to Avinash and Gabby G. I think I mentioned it, Avinash. They don't have Forex. It's just futures. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Dev. Let's go. Shout out to Dev Trades in the building. Right now we're just grinding up. I think everybody's waiting for NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the main news for today. Main event. Earnings Super Bowl right here. Everybody's waiting on NVIDIA. I don't think I mentioned it in here. Non-farm is March 7th. CPI is March 12th. Just a heads up. What NVIDIA, I believe, is either 4:15 Eastern time or 4:30 Eastern time. Then after that, they'll do their earnings call. Matter of fact, I'm about to look that up. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Dev. Shout out to Live Records. Shout out to Gabby G. Shout out to Avinash in the building. Let's see. Oh, that would be crazy. Ooh, here we go. Reject mode again. Wow. The Bears are still around, man. What you can't discount is what they've done the last couple of days. It has been all Bears. Can this thing line up? Come on, man. There it is. Line it up. Boom. All right, we got our fibs on. QQQ running. Man. All right. So yeah, I might try to run some evals for NVIDIA earnings. We'll see what happens. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, cool. Yeah, I see. Avinash. Yeah, it might. We'll see. Hopefully, man. I hope we get a catalyst to the upside. That's my hope for right now. Uh-oh, look, they're going back to VWAP. Look at how many times we got rejected off of that level, that 400 level. Let me bring it back up. Look at how these levels held. That 400 level, that was key round number, right? Then you had your 21,383. That's the midpoint of a daily FEG. Look at how we're flushing right now. Insane. Bulls couldn't hold 400. Now we're headed back to 300. We'll see if they can hold. If we get back to VWAP, I might hit something off of VWAP. I was waiting to see if we could reclaim 400 and hold, but yeah, we're not getting it. We'll see if they pull things back to the VWAP. In this area. Uh-oh. We'll see if we can get a bounce off of that back to the upside. We'll see. 300 round number support. Ooh. Oh, we got a sliding panel. Let's go. I take some let's play around with some micros. See if we get a bounce or if they pull us back.
Order filled.
Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna wait.
Order filled.
I'm gonna wait till we get back. Let's get back to VWAP. Somewhere between VWAP and that 320 level, that's where I want to get in. Or let's do, what's ES looking like? ES is fighting hard to hold this 600 level. 600 key. Super key. Let's see. See it? That's key. Super key for ES. Oh, we're getting a push. I thought we were going to get some more pullback. This bounce is coinciding with VWAP on SPY and QQQ's pre-market high. Confluence. It's lunchtime, guys. Oh, yeah, we have a fresh 1 hour, too. Let me see. Add stream marker. Create highlight video. What does that do? Shout out to everyone in the chat. Manage. We're getting a bounce off of VWAP on SPY. We'll see if they can hold. SPY bulls definitely, they desperately want to get back above 600. Then we can get things going. And if the NVIDIA reaction is great, then we can push back up. But as of right now, they're behind the 8 ball. The bulls have work to do. Here we go, bulls. Here we go. Yeah. I need to look up what that means. Let me see if I can look that up. Pushing back up. Going back to challenge 400. We'll see if we can get above. Any FEGs in that section? Let me see. I gotta draw some FEGs too. Some recent ones. I think we're gonna refresh my FEGs on a weekly basis now. I think I'm gonna keep my dailies, my weeklies, my 1 hours and 4 hours, 15s and 5s. Yeah, the 5s I gotta reset. I gotta just get rid of them and then reset them for the next week. Matter of fact, let's go to 4 hours. I need 4 hours in here. Not much down here. I mean, well, yeah, you can call that one. It's a mini one, but it counts. Wow, that's where we bounce too. Look at that. That's exactly where we bounce, roughly. That's the only one close. We got that one upstairs. Those are already done. Let's go to 1 hours. Whoa, this is a huge one. Wow. Bulls are back to 400. Off of the strength of that fresh 1 hour. That's pretty good. We'll see if they can continue. Yeah, they're pushing. Oh no, that's a 1 hour, right? Yeah. 1 hour, boom. All right. Do we have 15s? Not recently, or maybe. What's that? It's mini. Got one right here. It coincides with that one. Let's see. That's 15. Avinash, what you mean? What do you mean by tiles? 15 there. And we got another 15. It kind of lines up right there. Let's see. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Shout out to you guys. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, screen changed. We tested 400 again. It's like the bears are working down from that level. They're working down from this level up here. Cloud of doom. This level right here. Struggle. Oh, like on the streaming screen? What do you want to see? Because I just flip back and forth on one screen. You want to see like other charts? We've gotten rejected at 400 a couple of times. Couple of times. 400 is acting as a bear barrier. Let's go to back to 5 minutes. I have to type in or we have to day high, day low. I gotta draw that out. Let's see. Oh, that's the with the what I was using, that's the best I could do. It wouldn't let me, I guess with like the screen, yeah, that's the best that will let me do. I was trying to max it out, but it wouldn't let me. So this is the best I could do. I might try like a different platform and see if I can get it better. 400. We'll see if we can get above 400. Yeah, I know. I appreciate you, Avinash, for sure. I appreciate the feedback. They're pushing again. Bulls are pushing back up to 400. Let's see if they can break through. Okay, now it seems like the live is catching up. That is so weird. I'm still getting used to this streaming thing, man. Guys, bear with me. Oh, yeah, I just saw it. I glitched a little bit. What was that? Oh, whoa. I just saw it. That's my first time seeing it. Yeah, we might have to go back to 720. I just saw it. What was that? Come on, Bulls. Can they get up there? We'll see. Got a little 5-minute FEG right here. The higher time frame, the FEG, the more powerful it is. Here we go. They're running. Let's see if they can do it. The bears have just been sitting up here. It's just a wall. Let's see if they can bust through. Shout out to Avinash. Shout out to Gabby G. Shout out to Dev Trades, Live Records. Shout out to Eric Segura. Man, time is flying. I feel like I just got on to the stream. It's lunchtime. 12:15 where I'm at. Let me see. I was looking at Dubai time over the weekend. They are 9 hours ahead. That's crazy. That means we would be trading in the evening before bed. Oh no. Going on tilt before bed, that's not good. That would not be good. So that means if it's 9:15 right there to right now, they would have 4 more hours till the close. Dang, you'll be getting Nvidia earnings at like 1 a.m. 9, 10, 12. Yeah, wow. That's wild. It's 9:16 p.m. in Dubai right now. I was talking to somebody on here. They trade at like they're 3 hours behind, so they can get all their trading done before breakfast. Shout out to the West Coast, my Cali folks. I need to get some water. Be right back, guys. Let's see if the Bulls can hold on to 400. Another rejection? Wow. We're getting another rejection. That's crazy. It looked like they wanted to push. Wow. Let's look at SPY real quick. So look at this level on NQ that we've been rejecting off of, right? And now look at the low from SPY. Last week's low for SPY. Right now we're in a chop mode, chop zone. Bop, bop. Look at SPY. Let me see if I can pull it up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see. So check this out. This is SPY's price action. Look at SPY's price action compared to NQ. Shout out to Avinash. I had these before Valentine's Day, man. Come on, man. They've been in the stream since the beginning. Avinash is hilarious. We have look at the price action of SPY compared to NQ. 599.47 is the low from last week for SPY. And look how we've been running into a bear wall at that level. And look how it's influencing NQ. If we get back to a VWAP, I'll get in for like a practice run. I'll trade the practice account. You see that? Look at how we've been rejecting. So it's always good to watch SPY when you're trading NQ. It's also good to watch QQQ. Because important levels that are working on those charts can influence NQ. Whether it be like a pre-market high, pre-market low, weekly high, it matters. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Did pass a Apex eval this morning. We're going to get it activated for tomorrow. Trying to build these funded accounts back up, man. I think it's catching up now, so we'll see. Oh man, it is lagging. That's crazy. I tried to increase the quality, the resolution for the... It's glitching. I see it. Oh no. This never happened on 720. All right, we got to decrease the quality. We have to decrease this quality. Because this lagging is not it. Maybe because I have Think or Swim up. I've never seen that. We didn't have that on 720. Well, all right. Well, we're going back to 720, guys. Yeah, we're not doing that, man. We are not lagging for the people. We are not doing that. The bears are doing what they do best, man. We're rejecting off of that 400 level. I think they want VWAP. I'll hop into VWAP on this practice account. I need to stop trading in the afternoon. Eric was on here yesterday, and I was like forcing a move in the afternoon that I usually hit in the morning, expecting the same result. They do not. The open and 2 o'clock in the afternoon do not equal each other. Dum 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 dum. Yo, the lag is ridiculous. Dang. 6,000? Oh, okay. 45. Yeah, I might go 4. Oh no. Preset. Hmm. Is it kicking me out? What is happening? Okay. I don't know what's happening. What is happening, guys? We're off. Stop.